Hi everyone, welcome back to Moses TCG. In this video, I will show you how to install HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E wireless all-in-one printer and scanner drivers step by step. From your browser's address bar, you type support.hp.com and press enter. Click on software and drivers. Click on printer. Type your printer name in the Let's Identify Your Printer search bar. Select the printer name recommended in the search results if it matches with your printer model name. On my computer, Windows 11 is the default operating system detected. It can be different on your computer depending on which operating system you installed. If it is Linux, it will detect the installed version of Linux you have. If it is 10, it will detect Windows 10. There is a number of driver options you can choose from. You can install, download and install. But for this tutorial, we're going to choose this driver option of installing full drivers. This driver option will let you install printer drivers together with the scanner drivers in one installation. So we should be selecting this. Click on the plus sign to expand the driver selection and click on HP Easy Start to start the download. Click on Save. Click on Open to start the driver installation process. Click on Continue, and I'm selecting No for this. And the setup will search and find your connected printer. It doesn't matter whether connected through Wi-Fi, USB cable, or LAN cable. It doesn't matter. The setup will just find it. It is telling me that printer not found. Let's try something else. It is just because this printer is not connected on this computer. I don't have physically this printer connected, but you let me know in the comment section below If you are experiencing any problem, I'll help you from there. This setup here helps you in case you missed the automatic printer discovery process. Here you can select the connection method manually, whether wireless, on the cable that is Ethernet, or on USB cable. You can select all of those methods manually. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.